You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is my 2023 Christmas paint up, and I finally completed the Grinch. This was 3D printed by NY3D Creations. Mike over there does a fantastic job with his prints, and I had a blast painting him up. He came in 3 different pieces. I'm pretty sure I filmed that earlier for you to show you that. But what a blast. Painted him with acrylics using a lot of Monument Hobby colors, some Vallejo, and some Citadel colors. I hand painted his eyes. Wanted to keep them green, just like the movie, the Jim Carrey version of the Grinch. I didn't really want to weather his outfit. Figured I want to keep it as bright and colorful as possible. Use some fluorescent green for the Grinch title there. But it was a lot of fun to paint, and I enjoyed it very much. Let's look at the next figure I painted for Christmas this year.
The Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season.
This time it is the Mean One, and this is the evil Grinch from the movie The Mean One, of course. And definitely not for kids, this one is. But once again, this was printed by NY3D Creations. Mike over there did a fantastic job with his prints once again, and I had a blast painting this one. Let's get a closer look here real quick. And painted his eyes red, and used some fluorescence for the title, The Mean One. I used some UV glues mixed with some red paints for the blood, and I just had a blast painting this. Very cool. You can actually put a magnet on the back side of this if you wanted to hang it on fridge or whatever. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it in my display case. But there you have it. That is the Mean One. And put them together here. And that completes my 2023 Christmas paint up, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Stay tuned for more paint ups in the coming year 2024. If there's anything you want me to show you in my painting series, put the comments down below, and the next time I paint something, I'll go ahead and throw that on a video for you. Without your support, I wouldn't be where I am today in painting this figure, so I'm having a blast doing it, and I'm glad I can share what I've done with you all.
birthday.
The Grinch!
Happy New Year, everybody, and take care.